Hey, Michael Stars. This is Mrs. Robinson here, your librarian. I wanted to review how to log into Sora so that you can still continue to access amazing books. So once you're on your home screen, in the address bar, you want to type in www.soraapp.com. All lowercase, all one word. And mine says my school is Northside ISD, but you may not see this. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the screen I think you will see. Your school's setup code is John Paul Stevens. And then it's all lowercase and all one word. You press enter and you will be asked to sign in with your student ID number. This is part one. I will be right back with part two.